Hey guys, today we are going to continue looking at some sexy cells, and those are the cells that we're going to make through meiosis. And if you recall, we're going to use this G word right here, gametes, as the name for cells like eggs and sperm. So eggs and sperm, gametes, are what we make through meiosis. And the reason we have to do meiosis instead of mitosis is because we know an egg and a sperm are ultimately going to join together. So we need to make sure that the sperm only has 23 chromosomes. The egg only has 23 chromosomes. So then when we put them together, we have an egg and a sperm joined together. When we make a baby, we are going to cause the baby to have 46 chromosomes total, 23 plus 23. We're going to call this kind of cell something special. When you only have half the normal chromosome number, we're going to call that haploid. Look at this word right here. Haploid even sounds like half. You only have half the normal number of chromosomes. Instead of 2 of every chromosome, you only have 1 of every chromosome. So we're going to call eggs and sperm and those kind of cells haploid for half the normal chromosome number. So that way, when we make the egg and the sperm join, 23 plus 23, we will have a baby with 46 chromosomes. Now, a typical cell that we make in mitosis is going to have 46 chromosomes, like your skin cells, your liver, your kidneys, your muscles, your brain. All of those cells have 46 chromosomes. They have 2 of every single chromosome that you have, which is 23 different ones. We're going to call that diploid. Di is a prefix that means 2. So we're going to call the normal cells in your body, all your body cells, diploid because they have 46 chromosomes in them. And we're going to call your sex cells, eggs and sperm, the gametes, haploid. They have half the normal chromosome number. So I want you to look at this image real quick and see what I'm talking about. When I say haploid, I want you to understand that you only have 23 different chromosomes. So let me move myself here. You only have 23 different chromosomes, and that includes your little sex chromosome down here. A haploid cell, like eggs and sperm, has 1 of each chromosome, 1 of each one. This is haploid. Now, when we have eggs and sperm joined together to make the baby, then 23 chromosomes from the mom and 23 chromosomes from the dad, look, come together to make a diploid cell, a cell with 2 of every chromosome. And that's the start of this baby. So then now we'll do mitosis, and this will just replicate to grow into a baby. So remember, diploid means 2, di means 2. So we have 2 of every chromosome. So you can see, look at this image. This person has 2 of every single chromosome, including, look down here, the sex chromosomes. They have 2 right here. This is a boy. X and Y make someone a male. So this is a human male that has 2 of every chromosome, and we're going to call that something special. If you remember, a pair of chromosomes, look at this, same size, same basic structure. If I looked at them, they would have the same genes on them. One of these was from the mom. One of these was from the dad. They might have different alleles, like different versions of the genes, but they have the same genes on them. Do you remember what we called this? We're going to call these homologous, because homo means the same. Homologous chromosomes. So these are homologous pairs of chromosomes. That's how you get a diploid cell. We have homologous pairs in our normal body cells, and we have no homologous pairs in our sex cells, our gametes. Haploid, half, 1 of every chromosome. That's our gametes, no homologous pairs. Diploid, di means 2 of every chromosome. This is in our normal body cells, and this is a picture showing a bunch of homologous pairs of chromosomes.